How to draw in Google Docs. So I've created a brand new page just for drawing. So what you want to do is go and insert drawing new, and here you'll be presented with the area that you can draw on top of, and these are the tools that you can use. The most ideal situation is if you have a tab and that tab is connected to the laptop or the computer that's running Google Docs, and you'll select Scribble. Now I'm using a mouse, so these drawings are not gonna be perfect. Let's just draw a random stick figure. I don't know. You can select shape and select this. You can make it so that it has random colors. You can make it so it has text on top of it. So you can do, so we can make a stop sign. Is this how a stop sign looks like? No, it's not, but whatever. You can choose the font, and let's make it huge. You can also add images, for example, if you want to draw on top of an image. You can also see there are some actions here. You can use guides. Let's show guides. And you can use these. There's like a magnetic field to this. When you drag certain elements, just like that. So you can close. And that's how to draw in Google Docs.